Hello students, welcome to the class 9th, your social studies economics first chapter. The story of village Palampur is completed and now we have to do question and answer. Hope you all understand the chapter. So firstly we will see the question number 3rd. How did the spread of electricity help farmers in Palampur? How did the spread of electricity help farmers in Palampur? Answer is electricity powers all the tube wells in the fields and it helps in the proper irrigation system in their fields. Full stop. There is well developed irrigation system in the Palampur. Persian wheels were till then used by farmers to draw water from the wells and irrigate fields, but the spread of electricity helps the farmer a lot in Palampur. Now next question is, why are the wages for farm laborers in Palampur less than minimum wages? Question mark. Answer is, wages vary widely from region to region, comma, from crop to crop, comma, from one farm activity to another. Full stop. The minimum wages for a farm laborer set by the government is rupees 60 per day, comma, but the farm laborers get only rupees 35 to 40 per day. Full stop. This is because there is a heavy competition for work among the farm laborers in Palampur. Full stop. So people agree to work for lower wages. Your next question is, what are the different ways of increasing production on the same piece of land? Question mark. Use examples to explain. Your answer is, to grow more than one crop on a piece of land during the year is known as multiple cropping. Full stop. It is the most common way to increasing production on the same piece of land. Full stop. This was the major way of increasing production on the same piece of land. The other way is to use modern farming methods for higher production. Full stop. Well-developed irrigation system, use of chemical fertilizers, all these help in the production. For example, in Palampur, no land is left idle. During rainy season, Kharif, farmers grow jowar and bajra, full stop. It is followed by the cultivation of potato between October and December. In winter, Rabi, fields are sown with wheat. Sugarcane also grown in a part of land, full stop. Now your next question is, how do the medium and large farmers obtain capital for farming? Question mark. How is it different from the small farmers? Question mark. Your answer is, the medium and large farmers have their own savings from farming. They are thus able to arrange for the capital needed. Full stop. Most small farmers have to borrow money to arrange for the capital. They borrow from large farmers or the village money lenders or the traders who supply various inputs for cultivation. The rate of interest on such loans is very high. They are put to great distress to repay the loan. Then your next question is question number 13. What are the non-farm activities, production activities taking place in Palampur? Make some changes. In your region nahi hoga, in Palampur. What are the non-farm production activities taking place in Palampur? And the answer is, the non-farmal production activities in Palampur are, first is dairy. Dairy is the common activity in many families of Palampur. People fed their buffaloes on various kinds of grass and the jowar and bajra. that grows during the rainy season. The milk is sold in Raniganj, the nearby large village. Full stop. Next activity is small scale manufacturing in Palampur. Next activity, third one is the shopkeepers of Palampur. People involved in trade are not many in Palampur. The traders of Palampur are shopkeepers who buy various goods from wholesale market in the city and sell them in the village. Now the next activity is transport. There are variety of vehicles on the road connecting Palampur of Raiganj. Rickshaws, tangawalas, jeep, tractor, truck drivers and people driving the traditional bullock cart and bogie are people in the transport service. Full stop. Your question answer is completed. Write it down in your copies. Make 2 copies, separate copies. History and civics in 1 copy and geography and economics in 1. Write these question and answer in your copies and we will start next chapter tomorrow.